What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to go through material functions. I'd like to do a quick shout out to my Patreon supporter, Neil. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. I won't be able to do this stuff sort of without your support. Right, so what material function is if I go into here, so this is just a normal color map where I separate three materials out using a color map. So if I jump into that, and I show you what that looks like, it only looks like this. Now that doesn't usually look like what it would sort of usually look like. What would happen is you would, if I double click on these, you'd have all of these set up. But you can turn these into a function which allows you to just have them as one node. So all the information that tells me that this is a gold material is all separated into one node and then divided out. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, because that, to me, I didn't realize it existed, and I thought that was really helpful when I was trying to sort of make some material. So first thing we need to do is right click and not create material. We need to go to material and textures and create a material function. So we'll make one, and then I'll keep these two here and we'll just use those two. So we'll make this one. So you get an output result. So we'll jump back into one of the existing ones. Okay. You can see you need to add a make material attributes, because that will give you your base color and everything that you can connect up. So make material attributes. So you throw that in, connect that up to your output, and then we can start making our actual whatever we want. So let's make this red. It's more of an orange, but oh well. Let's make it gold, and let's make it really shiny. And that should be enough. And let's make it emit some color. Why not? Oh wait, if I want to do that, let's just connect. Let's probably get rid of the metal effect doing this, but well. And let's make that like 5. Okay, so that's one of our material functions. So now we've got material function set up. We can close that after we saved it. That was just one I opened, so we can close that. Now create material. Jump into here. First thing you want to do is you want to click this, and you're going to want to use material attributes. That way, because when you start connecting it up, so if I start throwing my material functions in, so you can go you, and you, you won't be able to sort of, they have all the information stored in there. So if you connect up to the base color, that's not really going to do anything, because you want it, because it has too much information. It doesn't just have the base color, it has our metalness value and our roughness and everything like that. So let's throw in what we're going to lerp, and we need one more node, which is, if we go into there, so I can remember what it's called, which is the matte layer blend standard. And this will sort of work as a lerp except for functions. So you can type that in, you copy it wherever you want. So if we go matte, what was it called? Sometimes it's really frustrating trying to remember all the names. Matte layer. So you get loads of matte layers. You can mess with loads of them if you want, but I'm just going to use the standard. Bring these over here. And all you're going to want to do is you want to start connecting your colors up. So we'll have red here, copy another one, we'll have green here. And then you can just connect these up. And depending on what position you want them in will depend on sort of where you'll place these. And if we connect that up, and remember change that to use material attributes, we should get a result. There we go. So we've got all three of our colors separated out. And like I said, if you do want to move it, you can move these around. So if I want, you should name them. I haven't named mine, so I don't know which is which. But yeah, if I do go to move them around, we can see they should move position. And if you want to like move this one around, just move it over to there. So that is how you sort of work with material functions. There's a lot of other purposes for it. This is just sort of one of the basic ones I want to show you guys, sort of to know what the actual tool done. So if we just go back into our level, we now just have this color map. It's not that one, and we can just throw that on, and it will separate the colors. I may have made that emit too much color because the auto exposure is really picking up. But yeah, that's sort of how you use material functions. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped. If you want to support the channel, my Patreon is in the description. Thank you very much, and bye bye.